Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Mangal and I am from MP. I have cleared RRB PO, RRB Clerk and allotted Madhya Pradesh Gramin Bank and IBPS Clerk and allotted Bank of India. I have cleared all these exams in first attempt. I am here to share my strategy with all of you. I have started my preparation in 2018 with offline coaching. After clearing my concepts, I focused more on practicing. Then I started giving mocks. Then I realized that I have to practice more updated questions and innovative questions. Then I joined Unacademy. Then I followed Nimisha Mam for English, Arun sir for maths, and Puneet sir for reasoning. After learning from these educators, I realized that these teachers teach with so much dedication and passion. यही वो टीचर्स हैं जो हमारे सिलेक्शन के लिए हमसे ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स करते हैं. Thank you so much Nimisha Mam for your perfection badge. It helps me a lot for mains exam. Thanks अरुण सर, आपके हलवा कॉन्सेप्ट से मैथ्स बहुत इजी बनाई थी मेरे लिए और मेरी स्पीड बहुत इंक्रीज हो गई थी. थैंक यू पुनीत सर, आपके इनोवेटिव क्वेश्चंस ने मुझे बहुत हेल्प की और आपके क्वेश्चंस हमेशा एग्जामिनर के लेवल से ऊपर ही रहते थे. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल माई टीचर्स. You are very helpful in my preparation. Thank you. Believe in yourself and trust your teachers completely. All the best to everyone. Yes, I am a banker. I am Nimisha Mam's champion. Thank you.